In this video, I will show you how to connect a mic to JBL Boombox 2, so make sure to watch the video until the very end. As you might be aware, if you look into the other parts available for your JBL Boombox 2, what you need to notice is that, like other JBL speaker model, it does not have dedicated microphone input. It is primarily designed for the playing music, not for public speaking or karaoke. Because they don't include the dedicated microphone input. There are some work sound that you can do is use a microphone. If you simply wanted to plug the microphone in and start using it right away, isn't going to work. That you will need some sort of adapter or work sound. So for the first method, you can try using a Bluetooth microphone. So first check the compatibility. Ensure that the Bluetooth microphone is compatible with the Bluetooth speakers. Pair your Bluetooth microphone with JBL Boombox 2 like you would with other Bluetooth device. So put in pairing mode, and once both devices are connected to each other, you will able to adjust the settings. So some Bluetooth microphone might require specific settings or app to work optimally with the Bluetooth speakers, and once this is done, you can see if it works right away. Alternately, you can use an aux input or microphone adapter. So you need an adapter that convert a microphone 3.5mm jack 3.5mm auxiliary input. Now connect to the adapter by plugging one of the end of the adapter into the microphone and the other end into the 3.5 aux input on the JBL Boombox 2. Now once again, you might need to adjust the volume on your microphone, and as long as the adapter was successfully connected with both of the devices should work. Keep in mind that this method might not provide the best sound quality or functionality compared to the dedicated karaoke speakers, and there are no guarantee that they are going to work. You need the work sound because the microphones are not officially supported, and that's it.